Hello, you are welcome again to my channel. So we are to find x, that is 3 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 1 over 81. 3 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 1 over 81, and we are to find x. Please, this falls under exponential equation. Exponential equations. Before we start with the solution, please make sure you subscribe and share the video. Okay, solution. So we have 3 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 1 over 81. Once again, this falls under exponential equations. Please make sure you subscribe. Okay, so when you are solving exponential equations, what you have to put in your mind is that we write the equation in such a way that the left hand side and the right hand side have a common base, okay, so that we can equate the exponents or the index. Please, do you understand? We write the equation in such a way that the left hand side and then the right hand side will have a common base, so that we can equate the index or the exponents. Okay, so 3x minus 2 equals 81 raised to the power negative 1. So 1 over 81 is the same as what? 81 raised to the power negative 1. I hope you are following it. We want to break the 81 down in such a way that we can get a common base on both the right hand side and then the left hand side. I hope you are following it. Okay, so we have 3 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power negative 1. As I told you earlier, we are writing the equation in such a way that we will get a common base at the left hand side and then a common base at the right hand side. Okay, so now 81 raised to the power negative 1 has now become 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 4 is the same as what? 81. We are breaking it so that we can get a common base. I hope you are following it. Okay, so 3 raised to the power 4 is the same as what? 81. So we have 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power negative 1. 81 raised to the power negative 1. I hope you are following it. Okay, so we have 3 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 3 raised to the power negative 4. 4 multiplies negative 1. I'm talking about the index or the exponents. 4 multiplies negative 1 to give us negative 4. Okay, so now we have 3 raised to the power negative 4. 3 raised to the power 4 times negative 1, and it will give us 3 raised to the power negative 4. So 1 over 81 is the same as what? 81 raised to the power negative 1 is the same as 3 raised to the power negative 4 multiplying negative 1, and then is the same as 3 raised to the power negative 4. We write the equation in such a way that we can get a common base at the left hand side and then a common base at the right hand side. Okay, so now the base are the same. We have 3 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 3 raised to the power negative 4. So we now have common base, which is what? 3. So we can equate the index or the exponent and then solve for x. I hope you are following it. So we have x minus 2 equals negative 4. X minus 2 equals negative 4. So to solve for x, we have negative 4 plus 2. So x is equal to negative 4 plus 2 will give us what? Negative 2. So our x is equal to what? Negative 2. Please remember that this calculation falls under exponential equations. Make sure you subscribe and then you share the video. Thank you.